How to manually turn the camera flashlight on or off on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, open up the camera app. Then at the top here, there is a flashlight icon, so tap on that. And from here, you can manually switch it off. You can manually switch it on. And the other option is auto. When you select auto, the camera app will automatically determine if it needs to use the flash or not. So by manually turn on the flashlight when you take a photo, it will always use a flashlight. And if you switch it off, then it forces the camera to automatically compensate the light if there is not enough light. So here I can just take a photo. Even if it is in the dark, it will not use the flash. Instead, it will perhaps take a longer exposure to compensate for the lack of light. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.